Maraming mga celebrities ngayon ang nagbigay pugay at paggalang sa mga ina lalo na't nagse-celebrate ngayon ng Mother's Day. Isa nga dito ay si Dog Kramer, ang kanyang mensahe sa kanyang asawa na si Cheska. Motherhood suits you, Cheka Kramer. If I could celebrate you every day, I would. Give me the three most meaningful blessings in my life. There's nothing I won't do for you, and I'll forever be indebted to you because I love you, and because you are the mother of my children. I always thought you looked beautiful, but you, as a mother, made you glow even more, a radiant sunshine in our home and to our children. Happy Mother's Day to my partner, best friend, and sweetheart. Samantala, isang touching message din ang ibinigay ni Heart Evangelista para sa kanyang ina. It may have sounded gibberish at time. Maybe you were angry, frustrated, or terrified, but thank you for always running after me to let me know what you've seen in this world. I will always be grateful for everything you are and everything you have sacrificed for us. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Isang touching message din ang binigay ni Kiko Pangilinan para sa kanyang asawa na si Sharon Cuneta. Happy Mother's Day to my CEO, my sweetheart, my mama, to our children. I love you so much, my Sharon, from the head of your legal department, Bay Kicks. And when I kiss your lips, I know our love's for keeps. My 20 plus years music composition for you. Nagbigay din ng mensahe ang anak ni Sharon na si Frankie Pangilinan at sinabing namimiss na niya ang kanyang ina. Samantala, ilang mga photos naman ang ibinahagi ni Sarah Labati sa kanyang Instagram at binati nga niya ang mga ina ng Happy Mother's Day. Nandoon na ilang mga photos ang ipinakita ni Sarah at nandoon nga ang kanyang mga anak. Natuwa rin ng mga fans sa mensahe ni Miss Universe Philippines na si Michelle D para sa kanyang ina na si Melanie Marquez. Happy Mother's Day, lucky lucky me. Nagbigay din ng Mother's Day message ang mommy ni Maxine Magalona na si Pia. Ayon sa kanya, Happy Mother's Day to all the proud moms out there who try their very best. Each child is naturally different, so let's celebrate that. I've been blessed with 8 individuals whom I have been in love with since birth. Cheers to you, Una, Nix, Max, Saab, Frank, Mo, Bark, and Clara. I love you and I'll always be here for you. Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang natuwa sa pagka-sweet ni Pia Magalona sa kanyang mga anak. Isang simpleng mensahe naman ang ibinigay ni Kayla Estrada para sa kanyang ina na si Janice de Belen. Natuwa rin ang mga followers at fans ni Lotlot de Leon nang ipakita rin niya ang isa sa mga photos na kasama niya ang kanyang mami na si Nora Honor at sinabi nga ni Lotlot ang ganito, "Mahal kita." Samantala, sa halip na batiin ni Angeline Quinto ang kanyang sarili bilang ina, isang mensahe naman ang ipinakita niya at ibinigay sa anak na si Silvio. My dear Silvio, carrying you, giving birth to you, raising you, and making you a kuya soon are things I will not only celebrate every Mother's Day, but every day. Salamat anak, mahal na mahal kita. Ayon naman kay Shara Soto, Happy Mother's Day to our Queen. Thank you for all that you do for each one of us and for our kids too. We love you so much, our beautiful Mama. Ito ang mensahe ni Shara Soto para sa kanyang ina na si Helen Gamboa. Napakomment din sina Pops Fernandez at Ami Austria. Kinilig naman ng mga fans ni Isa Calzado sa mensahe ng asawa nito na si Ben Wintel. I've been so lucky to have married a great mother and to have a great mother. So many other mothers inspire me and help me with so much. Thank you for your boundless energy, love, and wisdom. Happy Mother's Day. Narito naman ang naging mensahe ni Ann Curtis sa mga mommy pati na rin sa kanyang anak na si Dahlia. I love her to the moon and back to and to infinity and beyond forever and ever. Truly so lucky and grateful that I get to be her mama. Thank you, Papa Erwan, for helping me be the best mama I can be to our petty flu. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas, mother figures, and fur moms out there. May we all continue to shine light and love to our children. Narito naman ang mensahe ni Sian Lim para sa kanyang ina. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Mary Ann. Thank you for the love you are showering me with every single day. Thank you for being my source of strength and always being there to protect me from all the craziness around us. I love you, Mom. Stay young and happy. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms sa buong mundo. Thank you for bringing us into this world. Isang mensahe din ang ibinigay ni Jessie Menjola para sa mga ina at kanyang anak. Thank you for teaching me so much, my little Rosie. Iba pala talaga ang pagmamahal na binibigay mo kapag may anak ka na. Hindi nauubos kahit kailan pa man. To have a daughter like you, thank you for choosing me to be your mother. At kahit ilang beses ka pa tumakbo, paulit-ulit kitang hahabulin. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay, expecting moms, fur moms at tumatayong nanay. Saludo ako sa inyo, iba talaga ang mother's love. Ayon naman kay Julian, Happy Mother's Day to our beautiful superwoman mama. We love you so much forever and ever. Napag-comment naman dito si Raver Cruz. Isang sweet message naman ang ibinigay ng asawa ni Raisa Senon. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Thank you for everything you've done for our family. Thank you for continuously filling our lives with light, joy, and warmth. We love you. Na-touch din ng mga netizens sa magandang mensahe ni Barbie Imperial para sa kanyang mommy. Happy Mother's Day to my best friend and the best mom in the world. I love you so much. Ilang mga photos naman ang binahagi ni Patrick Garcia at doon nagbigay siya ng honor sa kanyang ina na yumaon, pati na rin sa kanyang asawa na si Nika. Happy Mother's Day to the three amazing mothers in my life. Thank you for all the love, wisdom, kindness, and so much more. I love you both. Mama Nika G, Nuna Che, thank you for always having my back. I am so blessed to have both of you. To my mother in heaven, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. No words can ever explain how much I miss you and think of you. I love you forever, Mommy. Narito naman ang touching na message ni Casey Concepcion para sa kanyang inang si Sharon Cuneta. To my beautiful mama, it's your day. I pray for us to enjoy life's pleasures and adventures together soon. You're the first person I ever met and ever loved. It's because of you that I'm here today. Trust in the way you raised me. I will always strive to make you proud and feel that having me was worth it. I love you. I wish I could give you the world so you wouldn't have to worry about anything for another second. Happy Mother's Day, Mama. Sa puntong ito ay maraming mga fans at followers ng mga celebrities ang natuwa kung gaano nga nila in-honor ang kanilang ina.
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard